Hello YouTube, AJ Shaver here. Just doing a little bundle wood splitting this afternoon. Figure I'd get started and then just do a little walk around so you can kind of see what we have going on for today. So let me flip this around and I'll show you what we have. All right, so I just grabbed one of the third cord log lift bags and it was, a lot higher, and we just grabbed the regular firewood out of there. It's nice seasoned stuff. And this is the SF9 from SplitForce, your regular low-speed off-road towable design. 20-inch long cylinder stroke, about a 4-second cycle time down and back. One of our 6th cord bags here. I did start off with like this piece of the netting underneath the table itself. That way I could just slide things right into it since I didn't have a conveyor. But it's a lot easier to wrap the bundle wood when it's in the 6th cord because it's half as tall as the bigger log lift bag. So what I'll do is I'll transport it on the forks from here over to, something that like 4 or 5 pallets high. And that way, as I stand here at the wrapper, I can just grab stuff and go right back and forth. And then we throw it on a regular pallet to take it out of here, either down to our own wood stand or up to, the hardware store in town. So let me throw this camera in the tripod. We'll bust up what I have there on the table, and that should fill up my 6th cord bag. so just again, another verification video. We had a regular 3rd cord bag, just down to some bark and bits there in the bottom. We filled a 6th cord bag and another 6th cord bag. So again, just all the quantities do match up as far as, you know, what we say they actually are. I think holds pretty true to what we see going on. So again, we've got our 2 6 cord bags there, amply full, all came off of, you know, 1 3rd cord bag, and just part of our lineup. It just reached in here, grabbed one off the end, and threw that onto, or not onto, but next to the SplitForce there, and just kept knocking them out. And so there you go, guys. 3rd cord and 6th cord bag verified. All right, like I said, just a short little video utilizing the SplitForce SF9 to just break down regular heat firewood into bundled firewood. Don't have a conveyor on this one, so we're just using the 6th cord bag on the set of pallet forks. I like bringing them up to a working height, just because I can go from the bag right to the wrapper to the pallet without having to be bent over. The 6 cord bag being half as tall as the 3rd cord, it's easier. I don't have to reach down into it, and smaller tractors like to be able to pick them up and that kind of thing too. So it's just a lighter quantity of wood that goes in the 6 cord. So if we can earn your business with the sales quote, whether it's for splitters, processors, trailers, bags, anything that we have for sale, you can reach me at 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. And I would love to hear from you. Build a custom quote just for you to meet your specific needs in your wood yard. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button here on the channel so you can stay up to date on everything we have going on. And hope to hear from you soon. And with equipment like this, it's wonderful to work hard to be lazy. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.